shelling all morning. We are slowly walking back to the room. I wasn't recording, but I'm going to just show you a couple things real quick. I normally just pick up shells, trying to kind of go outside the box this time. So I found this dried up starfish, which is actually a first for me. And then there's this little piece of like sea foam. And I know I'm kind of weird. I do the sniff test because if it stinks, I'm not taking it. And none of these items stink, so that's pretty cool. Because usually the reason I don't pick up sea life like this is because they're stinky. But these are so dried out, you don't. And this is like a little coconut seed, and they all are dried out. So all we're doing is walking this old... Did you just get bit? Okay, sorry, I got distracted by my husband. He just got bit by a fly. That's the other problem when you walk these lines, is the bugs. It's normally why we don't walk them, because of the bugs. So I'm going to record a little more in case we come across something interesting. Just trying to go outside my normal box of only picking up shells. Crab hole. And then I think the turtle people are putting up another turtle card. So yes, it is turtle nesting season here. So that means at night turtles come in, lay eggs, and the local turtle rescue society, I don't know, whatever they're called, they will come in and look for turtle tracks and put fencing around it. So beachgoers will not disturb them, because they will, unfortunately, they will. I think I just read a story last week that, you know how, if you've been watching my videos on Captiva, there are golf carts everywhere. Well, unfortunately, some idiot in a golf cart ran over and destroyed 2 turtle nests. So, if you hear us complaining about golf carts, I think it's mainly because we have that on the back of our mind that someone not following the rules ruined 2 nests. Okay, so here we are at another shell pile. Here's a black scallop. I don't really see dark ones like that. Some rope. Sorry, I'm not picking that up. Don't have enough room in my bucket. But I see a broken Murex. Besides, I can already tell that rope's stinky. Some people, like, if you had an outside display and you lived in Florida, stuff like people can do like cool outdoor decorations with stuff like that. But I'm flying home in St. Louis. So I don't pick anything up that's gonna stink up my suitcase. Ooh, look at that, piece of a sand dollar. Oh, Robert, you just stepped on a crab hole. Be careful about those crabs. Come out and get you. Lots of little crab holes. What is that? What is that? Oh my God, it is a, see, some people collect stuff. I don't. No, actually I might keep, is it a horseshoe crab shell? It's really bleached. You know what? Let's see. It don't stink. It passed my sniff test. It drives Robert crazy when I sniff stuff. I might do it just because it drives him crazy. He's like, don't sniff that. I can't help it. I'm like that. Isn't there a Saturday Night Live skit where that Catholic girl would like sniff her armpits or something? You remember that? Did you used to watch Saturday Night Live, or is it just me?
I did. In the 70s.
70s. He's a little older than me. But
I was a little kid and I didn't understand a lot of it.
yeah. I guess that's not the turtle guy, but he was stopping and looking at stuff. Maybe, guess there was someone else. Are you getting bit?
I'm getting bit.
All right.
It's one particular flock.
He's like, I am harassing this guy to no end. My sunglasses, I don't know why I brought my sunglasses when we got up at 5:30. It was a little pointless. Now they're perched on my head, getting in the way. Is he raking the beach? Is that a big rake on this four-wheeler? To say, when I walked earlier, I didn't see any turtle tracks. Oh, those are chairs lined up behind him. It's not a rake. I thought it was a rake. It's just chairs. Just chairs. Alright. It is the employee pulling out all the beach chairs for the beach goers. If you got your wristband, you can get a chair. I'm not really a laying out beach person. More like walking up and down the beach is what I like to do. Alright, I think enough recording for now. The bottom of the bucket is layered with shells, so it was a good morning. So anyway, it's a beautiful day in Captiva. I hope everyone is staying safe at home or out and about wherever you're at.